Hi viewers, welcome to Pebbles. Today I am going to show you how to make a simple silk thread bangle easily. Let's start. Take a bangle. I have wrapped a pink color thread all over the bangle. For that I have taken 35 strands of thread. Apply glue at the center one by one like this. Keep a dot of glue. I have taken half bead golden color, medium sized half bead. Paste it one by one like this, fully around the bangle at the center. Like this, paste it one by one. Again at the one corner, in between two beads, paste one by one at the center of two half beads like this. At the corner, one corner I am pasting now. The center part leaves some gap and paste it one by one like this. I have pasted on one side for half of the bangle and the other side. Turn out the bangle and paste the remaining. Apply glue at the center of two pearls and paste it one by one at the center. Now I have pasted on both the sides. Similarly do this for full bangle. I have made fully and take another thin bangle. I have wrapped golden color thread. For this I have taken 25 strands of thread to wrap the bangle. Apply glue at the center. Keep 6 dots. You wish 6 or 5 and paste small round shape kundan. Now I have pasted 6 kundan. You can divide this into 4 or 5 and on both the corner of the center part paste half golden bead. The bead we used on pink color. That's it. Again opposite to that, do the same. Mark out the center part and paste round kundans first. Now I have pasted round kundans on both the corner of that. Paste half gold bead. Now I have pasted on all the sides. That's the bangles ready now. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe Pebbles.